Hi everyone, I am Prasoon, part of Akamai Cloud product marketing team, and today I am very excited to talk about our new offering for managed Kubernetes, that is Linode Kubernetes Engine Enterprise, designed specifically for enterprises running large-scale mission-critical workloads on containers. And I have with me Gary, product manager for LKE, to talk through this really exciting addition to our cloud offering. So, Gary, talk me through LKE Enterprise. What makes it different from all the current managed Kubernetes offerings in the market?
I suppose in terms of differences, there's a number of key differences out of the box. Firstly, we have dedicated control plane resources versus shared in LKE today. Enterprise now supports premium load balancer, offering increased performance over load balancer too. We also offer increased cluster size over LKE, which has been a big focus for our customers in LKE. We introduced Cilium, so Cilium is now offered in the product, and that's a good one to have. We probably see a topic that resonates with a lot of customers as secure by default. So that posture is certainly there in enterprise today, and VPC also. That has become table stakes now, I suppose, in a lot of customers for cloud workloads today. So I think that's a really important one.
Certainly, like a lot of exciting addition to this new product for us. But I want to touch base on dedicated control plane, because that's a very interesting part you spoke about, right? Can you give me a specific example of like how this impacts a real customer workload?
Yeah, I think from time to time, we have customers approach us and they want to support real world events, say in media or gaming, perhaps. And that's an instance where they see huge demand over a short period of time, right? So for those events, really no noisy behavior is tolerated, and dedicated resources in enterprise really helps here. I suppose it helps in a number of ways, really. We've seen increased north-south traffic performance, number one, with high capacity load balancer employed. We see increased pod-to-pod throughput also, and then that's a really big win for some of our customers running that specific type of workload. But the isolation of environments is really a great thing here for those specific instances.
I know we have been in closed beta with LK Enterprise for almost 6 months before we went into limited availability, right? And a lot of enterprise customers from like gaming industry, from media and entertainment industry were testing LK Enterprise, and we got some great feedback from them. Can you touch upon some specific feedback from the customer where they were very happy with this addition, about like performance or about scalability or something else?
I suppose probably overall, it's the topic of performance, and I think that's really useful for all customers, no matter where they are in their cloud native journey. Really, today we have customers running from across the spectrum, running from just getting started with their containerization journey to more advanced use cases around AI inference and WASM use cases, all of which running on the LKE platform today. The best part is now we offer a comprehensive product line for all customers, and what that really does is it sets customers up really well in terms of runway for their cloud workloads. Yeah.
So now we have two offerings. One is standard Linode Kubernetes Engine offering, and one is enterprise offering. Can you give me some specific example of use cases where it fits for LKE and where it fits for LKE Enterprise?
We're certainly seeing customers run both side by side. We're seeing LKE continuing to be in use for developer environments, for example, and a host of other use cases on LKE. And where we see enterprise being used is where performance is critical, and where maybe you have production workloads where you really need that scale as well. Yeah.
So you have been talking to a lot of customers, a lot of industry people, a lot of people who have been in cloud native and Kubernetes industry for very long. What do you think? Where is the market heading right now with Kubernetes and containers?
I think about a year and a half ago or so, we saw an increased focus from our customers on cloud cost management. and rightly so, right? There was a huge focus on hyperscaler spend at the time, and that's evolved a little bit now to be a little bit more strategic and linking up the platform to focus a little bit more on hybrid and multi-cloud for that approach, and in doing so, kind of allowing you to move between clouds in a open standard kind of way. I suppose with the advent of large AI workloads, we're seeing increased AI inference workloads running specifically on Kubernetes. And we're seeing increased focus as a result on new lines of business within our customers' organizations, and new end users utilizing the platform also. So lots of growth in that area also.
Thanks for your time, Gary. If you are running your applications on Kubernetes and struggling with the complexity and want a solution which is simple, scalable, and reliable, please get in touch with us to get access to LKE Enterprise.